Good morning, children. I am Shumana Dikshit, your science teacher, and today I will teach you the fourth chapter, Health and Hygiene. Now, in this chapter, we will talk about how hygiene is essential for good health. Now, what is hygiene, children? Clean habits that help to maintain good health and prevent diseases are known as hygiene. These are different good habits which maintain our hygiene. Let us discuss how diseases spread. This will help us understand how they can be prevented by maintaining clean habits. Now, communicable diseases. Diseases that spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases. Cold, dengue, and malaria are some examples. Heart diseases, deficiency diseases, diabetes, and cancer are some diseases that do not spread from one person to another. So, they are called non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are caused by harmful microorganisms or germs. Microorganisms are tiny organisms that can be seen only under a microscope. Microorganisms are everywhere in the soil, in rivers and oceans, in air and in our bodies. All microorganisms are not harmful. Some are helpful. For example, the bacteria that help us make yogurt, cheese, idlis, and so on. Yeast belong to a group of organisms called fungi. Its singular is fungus. Yeast are too tiny to be seen without a microscope. But other fungi are much larger. Mushrooms are a type of fungus, and so are molds, or the fuzzy growth you may have seen on rotting fruit or stale bread. Now, how diseases spread, children? Do you know how diseases spread? Germs enter the body in different ways. Some germs enter with the air we breathe, while others enter with food or water. Some spread through touch or contact, while others are caused by insects and other animals. Through air. Air carries the germs of diseases such as common cold, measles, and tuberculosis. When a person suffering from one of these diseases coughs or sneezes, the germs come out of the mouth or nose and mix with the air around him or her. If a healthy person breathes in the germs, he or she may get the disease. Through food and water. Dysentery, commonly called stomach upset, typhoid, and Jaundice are some diseases that spread through contaminated or polluted food and water. Food may be contaminated in many ways. If food is left open, flies and cockroaches may contaminate it. Germs stick to the bodies of the insects when they look for food in garbage, drains, and so on. Food may be contaminated if it is washed or prepared with dirty water or handled with dirty hands. Germs breed in stale food, so cooked food and things that spoil easily must be refrigerated. Uncooked food may contain germs present in the source of food. If a diseased hen lays an egg and you eat the egg without cooking it well, the germs in that egg may enter your body. If you are eating out, make sure that the food is very hot because high temperature kills most germs. Bathing and washing in rivers, ponds, and near wells and hand pumps makes the water from these sources unfit for drinking and cooking. Throwing garbage into water bodies like rivers, lakes, etc. is another way of polluting water. Rainwater carries germs and other pollutants into water bodies after it flows over garbage dumps and fields where people defecate. Dirty water from homes, offices, factories, and so on carries germs into water bodies. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.